Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to show you how to be the most organized bridesmaid at the wedding. My favorite part about being a bridesmaid is just standing next to your best friend on her big day. Every bridesmaid needs a bridal emergency kit. Jewelry, band-aids, tissues. Every bridesmaid needs to have tissues on them. I love to use the iconic convertible garment bag for weddings. First of all, there's two pockets, one on each side, so I can stick my brushes, my combs, and then you can zip it up like this. And I can stick in my curling irons, my makeup bag, my jewelry case, and my blush and brush case. It zips up and converts into a duffel. It has a front pocket, and I can stick my crossbody in there. If you turn it around, this bag actually has a trolley sleeve. The iconic blush and brush case is my favorite because I can store my makeup, brushes, and hair supplies. I absolutely love my iconic curling iron cover because you don't even have to wait for your curling iron to cool down. The iconic mini cosmetic bag is awesome because it keeps all of your cords and chargers in one place. I have never had to wear an ugly bridesmaid dress. Thank you, friends. We all know that we're not going to be wearing heels during the reception, so you pack your flats in here, tighten the string, and you're ready to go. When I'm getting ready, I love the reversible robe. It's perfect for sipping mimosas, getting your hair and makeup done. You can also get a matching pajama set. My favorite thing is the leather all-together crossbody. It even has a pocket inside so that I can stash my phone away so I can go dance. The perfect bridesmaid is caring, she's a very good listener, and she's very resilient. A getaway and a trip to the spa, and then maybe a trip downtown for drinks. Who doesn't love a good bachelorette party? The wobble, all the way. It's definitely easier to deal with a flower girl because you can bribe her with candy. Write your own vows. I'm gonna save photos after the wedding. I don't think it matters if it's a buffet or catered as long as there is cake. So those are some tips and tricks on how to be an organized bridesmaid.